Hey, what's up everybody? This is the third video in the Business Owners Basics Bootcamp where we break down the fundamentals for new entrepreneurs and seasoned business owners alike to help you save money, protect your business, and attract the quality clients that you're looking for. My name is Saluto Uba. I'm the founder of the Uba Law Group, and today we're going to talk about taxes, everybody's favorite topic. But really, the reality is, if you're a business owner, taxes need to be very important to you because they're a powerful strategy for how you can save money and decrease your income footprint. So let's get right into it. And so the first thing I want everybody to understand is you need to have a background of how you think about taxes as a business owner compared to if you're working a 9 to 5. Now, when you're a traditional employee, a 9 to 5 worker, you get paid your salary or you get paid your hourly rate, you do your work, you get paid, and then the government, they take their money off the top. They take their Social Security, Medicare. If you're in a state with income tax, they deduct that. You know, your traditional FICA tax, all that good stuff. They take that first, and then they give you what's left over. Whereas if you're a business owner, you do your service, you sell your product, then you deduct all of your expenses incurred in selling that product or performing that service, which can even include your payroll or the payroll and the paychecks to your employees. You deduct all of that stuff first, and then you pay the government. You give them from what's left over there. So there's a big difference. You do your work, you get paid, deduct your expenses, and give the government what's left over. Whereas as an employee, you work and the government takes their money straight off the top and they give you what's left over. So that's a powerful distinction, and that's a powerful difference because as a business owner, you're able to save money by incorporating the expenses strategically and starting to plan throughout the year, okay, how can I expense away as much stuff legitimately as possible? So a part of that strategy is also having corporate formalities that can combine what would have been personal expenses and convert them into legitimate business expenses. So a big example that I tell my clients about is your annual meeting. So I'll have different clients in different industries, and these are everyday people like you and me, and they say, hey, I want to travel, I want to take a trip, obviously before Corona. And so I'll talk to a client and I'll ask them, what industry is your business in? And they'll say, hey, I'm a wedding planner. I'm like, okay, well then plan a trip to Vegas, find a conference or a convention that has to do with wedding planning, and then incorporate your annual business meeting around that. So you go to a convention during the day, you learn, you get training, then later on in that week, you have your annual meeting, you plan out your business, you plan out what went well, what went wrong, how to improve, and then during the night, during the weekends, the time that you're not doing the business stuff, you can enjoy yourself. You can have a regular trip. And so what you're doing is incorporating the business aspect into what would have been a personal expense. And so that's one strategy to save money and to decrease your overall tax footprint. And so that's the big idea. So over the course of the year, you want to strategically plan your business to decrease your taxes, take as many write-offs, take as many exemptions as possible, so you can lower your overall tax payment and save money that you would have had to pay otherwise. So that's one small tip we want to bring to you. Next time we talk, we're going to talk about the #1 saver of money and taxes and decreasing your overall income footprint for a business that you can only get as an LLC. So until then, my name is Saluto Uba. Here at the Uba Law Group, we have done for you services for entrepreneurs and business owners and people who are thinking about getting into that. And if you're interested in that, if you'd like to work with us, we'd be happy to work with you. Feel free to reach us at theubalawgroup.com. So until next time, keep grinding, keep hustling, entrepreneurs. I believe in you guys. Keep on working it, keep on making that dream happen. And never forget, Mondays mean business. Peace.